Is this FMA, right? Yeah. We're listening to some weeb shit today. Does this look right? Dude, I always hate doing like front face poses because I always feel like I always make them look terrible. Oh, okay, I get it. My soul just cried otaku right in the feels right now. Why? Dude, why? Anyway, what I was saying about the front facing poses sometimes, I always feel like they're so difficult because like if they're not symmetrical, sometimes it just looks terrible. I just don't get it. This song is so nostalgic. I remember FMA was like the first ever anime I watched. I mean, besides like Naruto when I was a kid. That made me think that anime wasn't shit. Like, I'm not even joking. I thought Naruto was like the first Naruto was like kind of terrible, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, what is wrong with these people? Soul Eater and FMA were my first. Dude, Shani, I'm sorry if you hate me for saying that. For real, I thought that Naruto 1 kind of sucked. But then, I thought Shippuden was way better. So, okay, there's the redemption right there. Frey, I'm drawing your ears, your long ears. I don't know, these are they're kind of long. I don't know. Does this look right? I don't know. It looks like a lot different than I remember. I want to make your ears like smaller. Like add like all this shit in the background. Yeah, I forgive. I've never watched Naruto and I want to keep it that way. Hi Frankie, how's it going? Hi Frankie, dude. I'm sorry if I missed any of y'all in the chat. Ew. Oh. Poggers. It has some good stuff in it. Does Naruto have some good stuff in it? I don't know, man. Does Naruto have good stuff in it? Kakashi is pretty hot, so yeah. What does Kakashi look like without his mask? The world will never know still. Tell me why I never thought to hear you say. Holy shit, I think Shrey's too shredded. My first real anime was Wolf's Raid or S Cryed. Huh?